Are you getting Nintendo Switch error code 2819-0003? Then you are at the right place, as we have the solutions for you to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Use another account or change the password. The error indicates play of downloadable software was paused because your Nintendo account was used to play downloadable content on another console. To resolve the issue of a paused download on your Nintendo Switch, discontinue using your Nintendo account and its associated downloadable content on any other consoles. You can try using another account or change the password of your account so that no one else can access that. Visit Nintendo website from your PC or laptop. Then select Sign In and Security Settings, and then select Edit in the Password section. You may be prompted to confirm your identity by re-entering your password, re-authenticating with your passkey, and/or by confirming your email address. If you have set up two-step verification, you may be prompted to enter an additional code. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish the process or follow as shown. Enter and confirm a new password. Click Submit to update the password. Now sign in with the new password and see if the issue is fixed. If not, move on to the next solution. Method 2. Resume the paused software from the home menu. Press the home button to launch the home menu. Active and completed downloads will be seen on this front page. Tap on Resume Download or Download, then OK. See if you can download the content now. If you cannot, then make the console as your Nintendo account's primary console. Method 3. Re-register your primary console. To re-register your Nintendo Switch console as the primary one for your Nintendo account, follow these steps. First, deregister the current primary console. On your current primary console, open the Nintendo eShop. Select User icon at the top right to access account information. Scroll down and select Deregister to remove the console as your primary. Now, register the console. On the console you wish to make primary, link your Nintendo account to a user profile if you haven't already. Open the Nintendo eShop with your Nintendo account. The system will automatically prompt you to register it as the primary console. Verify the primary console status. After completing the registration, go back to account information in the eShop. Check the primary console status to confirm the change. You can only have one primary console at a time for your Nintendo account. Also, changing the primary console does not automatically transfer your saved data. If you have a Nintendo Switch Online membership, you can use Save Data Cloud Backup to access your saved data on multiple consoles. Once done, try to download the game again and see. And there you have it. The methods to fix Nintendo Switch error code 2819-0003. We hope the methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about this video. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.